Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to switch account on Google Authenticator. So if you also want to switch account on Google Authenticator, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you will be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Authenticator application. You can see over here Google Authenticator is open. Due to privacy and security reason, Google Authenticator does not allow you to record. So that's why the screen will appear blank. But I will guide you through the process. Simply follow it. So in Google Authenticator, you can transfer the accounts. Simply tap on the menu option that you can see at the top left corner. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Find the option for transfer accounts. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can export the accounts or you can also import the accounts. Just tap on the option that you want to do. Now all you have to do is follow through the prompts and you'll be able to import or export the account. Now if you want to switch the account, what you have to do is on the home page, at the top right corner you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You will see all the accounts over here. Simply tap on the account to which you want to switch. You can see over here the account is switched. So that is how you switch account on Google Authenticator. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.